See, if you are dreaming of starting your own business in Nigeria, but you're worried about lack of capital or, money to start up, whatever it is, financially, buoyant as well. You don't have the money to start. You're in the right place. Do like this. Today, we are going to be diving deep into the world of drop shipping. Yes, drop shipping is a business model that lets you sell products online without holding any inventory. And the best part, you can start with little to no money. In fact, no money. No money. Yes, you can start with nothing at all. So grab your suya, your popcorn, and your zobo. Sit back and let's get started. Hi everyone, it's your girl here watching as well, and today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to run a successful dropshipping business right here in Nigeria. Okay, so whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or a parent, or just looking for a side hustle, this video is tailored for you, like it's tailor-made for you. So first things first, what exactly is drop shipping? Drop shipping is a business model where you just sell products online without needing to keep any stock. Yes, so here's how it works. You list your products on online stores, and then when someone buys from you, you purchase the products from a third-party supplier who then ships directly to your customer. So you do not handle anything. In fact, you do not even see the products sometimes. It means that you do not need to invest in inventory upfront, making it perfect for those starting with little or no money. Now, why consider dropshipping in Nigeria? Well, with the rise of the e-commerce and internet penetration, more Nigerians are shopping online every day. Plus, traditional businesses here can sometimes, require significant capital and inventory management, which can be challenging. We know many people do not have the money to start up immediately. So dropshipping eliminates those barriers, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. And from there, you build the capital you need to get the inventory or get the product or stock to start a full-blown business. Now let's break it down. I want to break down the steps to get your dropshipping business up and running. The first thing you need to do is to choose a niche. You need to choose a niche that is, specific to who you want to target. So pick the right niche to, because that would determine your success. All right. You can identify your interest. Let's say you love jewelries. You can start with that. You can start with something you are passionate about because it is easier to sell something you believe in. Yeah. Then, if you do not feel like what you believe in, you can sell it. You can decide to use, tools like Google Trends to see what people are asking for, what is popular, what is in demand. You can also browse online marketplaces like Jumia, Gigi, Konga to see what products are trending. So let's see take a look at a few high in demand products in Nigeria. The first one would be fashion and accessories. The clothes, the jewelry, accessories. They are always all in demand. Women would always want to look beautiful, and they can, pay as much as you can offer them what is equivalent of what they're paying for. So, and these items are easy to get. You can get local suppliers that are ready to offer trendy items. They are very easy. Yeah. Then the second niche would be health and beauty products. You can decide to focus on hair care, skin care, or even wellness products. They are also booming, especially with the growing focus on self-care. You'd see girls saying, girl time, girly this, girly that. People are, gearing towards the angle of self-care more right now. So selling those wellness products is also a huge deal. Okay. Or you can decide to go into the electronics and gadgets session. Phone accessories, could be pouch, screen guards, it could be earpiece, headsets. All of these smart gadgets, tech products are a hit among Nigerians, and there's a huge market for it. Or you can decide to go into home and kitchen appliances or decors, practical items for the home like kitchen gadgets or home decor. They sell really well as well. So for example, let's choose fashion and accessories. Yeah, it's a vibrant market with plenty of opportunities. Next, you need to find suppliers who will provide the product you want to sell. Now, for this section, I would want you to drop a comment. What supplier or suppliers contact do you want? Which niche do you want a supplier's contact for? Drop a comment below and I would reach out to you and give you the needed information to get suppliers. But in general, here are some ways to find reliable suppliers in Nigeria. Local wholesalers and manufacturers. There's a wide range of manufacturers, wholesalers in Lagos, Ibadan, Port Harcourt, Onitsha. There are so many suppliers and manufacturers you can contact to supply you these products that you want to sell. Basically, you just have to look around you. If you're in Lagos, look around you. If you're in Ibadan, look around you. If you're in PH, look around you. You'd see numerous suppliers. Yeah. Then you can decide to go online. You can check out online platforms. TikTok, Jumia also has connections to suppliers. There's Facebook groups. There are so many people on LinkedIn, Instagram who are also suppliers. You can get suppliers from these online platforms. Yeah. Or you can decide to do networking. Okay. You can attend trade shows, trade fairs, business seminars, and, basically any networking event you can think of just to meet potential suppliers face to face. So see, I feel like this is one mistake that many people make when they want to start drop shipping. They do not communicate with their suppliers about their expectation, delivery time, their return policy. No, but they do not discuss this. They just go ahead and buy from these people. So you always want to communicate clearly with your suppliers about your expectation, delivery time, the return policy, because this would help you to build a good relationship with your own customers and have a smooth operation. So now we want to set up your online store. Yeah, there are several options. But since we are focusing on a no capital approach, we'll go with the free and low cost platforms. So social media platforms. That's it. Yeah, trust me. Social media platforms. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram are powerful tools for selling. If you set up a Facebook page or an Instagram business account, you can showcase your products there, showcase your service, whatever you are drop shipping. There you can build your market, your audience, basically trying to reach more customers. And the good thing about these platforms is they offer a built-in advertising tool to reach your target audience, such as running sponsored ads. You can run sponsored ads on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. Guys, this is a huge place. People are making a lot of money with this platform via drop shipping. Now, the most popular of them all is WhatsApp Business. Yes, I don't want you to underestimate the power of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is not only for entertainment, chatting with friends and family. No, you can use WhatsApp Business to communicate with customers, to take orders and provide customer services. So we have gone through all the steps. The last one would be to choose the right product. So let's look at some examples in the fashion and accessory niche, like I mentioned earlier. You can decide to go with the statement jewelries. It could be necklaces, earrings, bracelets. They are all unique pieces that, that cater to current fashion trends, and they stand out as well. So you can make a lot of money with this. You can also decide to go on with selling clothes, trendy clothes. It could be t-shirts or popular designs, dresses, or even traditional attire with a modern twist to it. You can also do that. Or if you want to go for accessories, it can be hats, caps, scarves, belts, bags, something that complements outfits. And there are so many local suppliers ready to of course, partner with you as regards to drop shipping. Okay. Let's say you decide to sell statement necklaces. You can find suppliers who offer a variety of designs at probably, let's say, 2,500 naira. And you decide to sell them at 5,000 naira. Yeah, so to estimate potential profits, let's do a quick calculation. Your cost price is 2,500 naira. You're selling at 5,000 naira. Your profit is 2,500 naira. So basically, imagine you sell 10 earrings in a month. How much have you made? Calculate that. 2,500 times 10. And as your business grows, so do your sales and profits. How do you attract customers to your store? Marketing is essential. Okay. Here are some effective strategies. Number one, your social media marketing. I already mentioned that you have to use social media one way or the other. You can use Instagram, Facebook to showcase your products. Try to post high quality products, photos, and, even videos. Engage with your followers. Use relevant hashtags, like jewelry store in so place wherever you are located. That is one way. The second option would be to use the influencer partnership program. That one you have to pay. That's where you collaborate with local influencers who can promote your products to their followers. That one is not for like newcomers in the business. So you can just leave that aside. Another option will be content marketing. You can decide to do a styling video, just for fashion trends, showcase your products using the item. This helps, build trust and authority in your niche. Then you can decide to do email marketing. It depends on what you sell. You can also decide to do the paid advertising, which is Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, just to reach a larger audience. But remember, with dropshipping, you can start small and scale up as you earn. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to ensure your dropshipping business thrives, okay? Start small. Begin with a limited range of products to manage quality and understand the market better. Do not bombard yourself with everything. Then secondly, focus on customer experience. Great customer service can set you apart from your competitors. And then you want to stay updated, keep up with market trends and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Then you also want to optimize continuously, regularly analyze your sales data and marketing efforts to find what works best for your business. Then while at it, you want to build a brand, create a memorable brand identity that resonates with your target audience. All right. So let's talk numbers. How much can you make with dropshipping in Nigeria? It depends on several factors, including your niche, your marketing efforts, and your dedication. So let's use the example I gave earlier of a statement earring. The cost price per item is 2,500 naira, and you are selling at 3,000 naira. Now you can decide to sell at a higher price. Some of the things you'd factor in while trying to come up with your selling price would be your marketing cost, that is your advertising cost. If you did run a sponsored ad, your data, that is if you marketed online, and then your delivery fee. If the person is not paying for delivery, you also have to factor all of that in. So if you sell 20 necklaces in a month, your total revenue could be running into 100,000 naira, depending on how much you sell. So as your business grows, you can introduce more products, increase your marketing budget. And then, of course, that would mean that you scale your profit. So with dedication and smart strategies, some dropshippers in Nigeria earn 6 figures monthly. No cap. So yes, that's it. Starting a dropshipping business in Nigeria without any capital is entirely possible. It just requires dedication, smart strategies, and a willingness to learn on the job. And then you also have to be patient. Rome was not built in a day. Remember, every big business starts small. So take that first step today, and who knows, you could be the next big dropshipping success story in Nigeria. So if this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to drop your comments as regards the niche that you want to start and the contacts, and if you need the contacts, okay? And then hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any updates, okay? Let me know in the comments below what you are also interested in. If you have any questions about dropshipping, please drop them. I would love to hear about your entrepreneurship journey. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.